everyone, welcome back to another episode of Wake&Tech. In today's tutorial episode, I'm going to walk you through how you can change your Gmail account's password. Keep watching the video till the end and don't forget to subscribe to our channel by hitting the subscribe button. Press the notification bell icon so that YouTube will notify you whenever we post a new video. Now let's get started. Click open any web browser first. I'm using my desktop in order to change the password, but you can do this on your mobile application as well. Now, in the search box, type in mail.google.com and press the enter on your keyboard. Sign into your Gmail account if necessary, and once you're in your Gmail inbox, go and click on the settings button at the upper right. From the settings menu, go and click on see all settings at the top. After you do that, click on Accounts and Import option at the top of the screen. You'll be able to see a Change Password link right next to Change Account Settings. Click on Change Password and you'll open up a new tab. You'll need to verify that it is you who's changing the password, so in order to verify, enter your password in the password box. Double check your password by clicking on the Show Password box or reveal your password before moving on. Once you're done, click Next. Now, go ahead and type in a new password that you'd like to change to. Make sure that your password is strong and it is at least 8 characters long. Gmail suggests you not to use password from another site or something too obvious. Once you type in the password of your choice, click on the next box where it says Confirm New Password. You'll need to type in the password that you just typed in one more time. Make sure both of the passwords in the password box matches, and finally click on Change Password. Soon after you do that, you'll be able to change your password for your Gmail account. I hope you found the video to be helpful. If it was, go ahead and give us a thumbs up, comment down below in the comment box if you have a question or a feedback for us. I'll soon be back with more tutorial episodes. Goodbye till then.